This 4-brush set is called the 4 Gentlemen brush set. As you can see from the name, these 4 brushes are carefully selected to suit the purpose, the painting topic, 4 Gentlemen, bamboo, orchid, chrysanthemum, and plum blossom. And we recommend you train in this order because each of the top painting topic will focus on one or a few painting techniques, and it will develop and also make a foundation for you to continue to the next topic. If your brush is brand new, you will see they have a very point tip, and it's very hard because it's bounded with glue, can be removed by water. So now I will show you how to prepare your brush. So we need a container that has a big top, that's open and a big top. The reason is we're trying to let our brush to laying down on the bottom of this container so that the water will fill up this container. At the same time, it won't damage the brush tip. Now I have filled some water. As you can see, I just filled the water as soon as the water has covered the brush hair. That is sufficient. We don't need to cover the whole container. We want the bristles to be soaked in water. However, the bamboo, the handles, doesn't have to be soaked in water too much. Sometimes if you feel your container is a little bit small, you will find out the brush will tend to come out. If that is the case, it's easy to fix, don't worry. You can use something that has some weight. You can put a rock on top. Otherwise, you can put something cross. Now it's about 15 to 20 minutes. Let's have a look. As you already can see, these 2 brushes, the tip, you see, is already open. When I touch it, I can feel inside is softened. So that means the brush is almost ready. Okay, let's check this one. This one as well. It's very soft, it's already opened up. So when I press, I will do very gently. So we don't want to press very hard and pull the hair. Like how is it inside? And let's check this one. As you can see, it's still very, very hard. So now what we can do is we give it a little bit gentle massage. So by pinch, use the 2 fingers. I give it a gentle massage. As you can see, when I pinch the 2 fingers, the brush tip opens up a little bit. However, if I go on the top, it's still a bit hard. So just repeat this process, this movement, for a few times. Now you can see the brush tip opens. And that's it. We don't have to get it ready when you feel there's a resistance. Just give it a little massage and we let it rest in the water. And this one as well. It's very hard. So I start with my fingertip from the top of the brush and rotate. I can feel this one is very hard inside, so I won't push too much. I'll just open a little bit and then I place it back to wait for another 15 to 20 minutes and then I will come back. Okay, now it's about another 15 to 20 minutes. Let's come back and see how is the brush. As you can see, the hairs already loosen up. That's a good sign. Let's check. As I pinch the two fingers, I can feel inside the core, there is a little bit of resistance. So I give it a little bit gentle massage. As you can see, I can press right to the base. That means the brush is open now. Okay, so I will just give it a little wash to take out the glue. Yeah, so that is good. Let's check the small one. It's still a little bit hard inside, so I will give a little bit pressure. Okay. Now I wash out the glue. Well, if your brush needs more time, don't rush. Just put it back and give it another 10 or 20 minutes. It should be ready. So when it's ready, you can see the hair, the outside layer is loosened up. As you can see, it's floating in the water. And when you pinch with your fingers, you will feel no resistance inside. So that means the brush is ready. Now I will put them also here on the paper or a paper towel to leave it to dry.